Welcome to NPM, the Node Package Manager. NPM is the backbone of modern JavaScript development, with over 2 million open source packages and 17 billion weekly downloads. It is the world's #1 package registry. So what exactly is NPM? It serves 4 key roles. First, it's a package installer, letting you add powerful libraries with just one command. Second, it's a dependency manager, automatically tracking all required subpackages using package.json. Third, it's a script runner, letting you define and automate commands like start, build, and test. And fourth, it's a global registry of over 2 million community-built packages. Let's look at the essential NPM commands. You start every project with npm init y to create your package.json. Then use npm install to add packages. For development tools like Nodman, add the save dev flag. Run your custom scripts with npm run. Use npm audit to catch security issues, and npm prune to clean up unused packages. Like any tool, npm has strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, it has a massive ecosystem, handles dependencies automatically, enables script automation, makes team collaboration easy, and supports semantic versioning. On the downside, installing one package can bring hundreds of sub-dependencies. Open source packages may have vulnerabilities, version conflicts can occur, and the node modules folder can grow very large. Here are 6 best practices for using NPM effectively. First, separate production and development dependencies. Second, always add node_modules to your git ignore file. Never commit it. Third, use .env for environment variables and secrets. Fourth, commit your package-lock.json for reproducible builds. Fifth, run npm audit regularly for security. And sixth, use npx for one-time tool execution to avoid polluting your global scope. Here's the ideal NPM workflow for any project. Step 1. Initialize with npm init y. Step 2. Install your dependencies. Step 3. Add dev tools with save dev. Step 4. Start developing with npm run dev. Step 5. Audit security before shipping. And always keep a clean project structure. Source code in the src folder. Configuration in package.json. And never touch node modules in Git. Let's wrap up. NPM is far more than a package installer. It's a complete project management ecosystem. Remember, package.json is your project's blueprint. A single npm install command rebuilds your entire environment. Security audits should be regular. Automate everything with scripts. And write modular, clean code. Master NPM, and you master modern JavaScript development. Thanks for watching.